go, 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 work, deadlines, projects, driving our business, constant news, chaos, uncertainty. It's a lot. It's not just important to rest, it's actually essential. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video, and give you 3 keys to really help you restore and renew yourself and be more intentional about the other side of work and output and cranking and showing up every day. First of all, I want to encourage you to challenge your belief that we got to go all the time. First of all, I think this is a cultural belief. It's kind of hidden, a dark side of the amazing culture in America, that we work hard and we accomplish a lot, that we got to be going all the time. Are there seasons where we have to have the pedal to the metal? Of course. Push to the summit, get the project done, drive some major event in our lives, kids leaving, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, you're an executive, you're an athlete, professional athletes especially are really good actually at being intentional about their rest, to show up to be their best. They know that that's just as important as all the training and effort that they put into their work and their effort. So first I want you to challenge your belief. That's vertical lesson number 1. Challenge the belief that we gotta go all the time, and embrace that the rest is absolutely essential, and then be more intentional about it. That leads me to idea number 2 and 3 for you. Idea number 2 is that I wanted to encourage you to turn down the inputs. Turn off your alerts to social media and your news. And believe me, I've had my alerts turned off for a long time on my phone in general. I usually keep it on Do Not Disturb or with the ringer off, but especially news. The news is going to be waiting for you, and if something really crazy happens, you're going to hear about it, or you're going to go to a website or an app and hear about it. Social media alerts as well. I would encourage you to try to minimize those distractions that pull you into that constant, just add to that chaos and that noise. I feel like we need to turn down the noise a little bit so we can hear ourselves. In the car, as an example, I've been doing the last couple of years here, I used to constantly be ingesting something, listening to a book, something, podcast, always inputs. And it just wears on you. The whole world wears on you, and drive some awareness around that. And then just turn it down so you can, like I said, so you can hear yourself. The third idea I want to share with you is I wanted to encourage you to create a sanctuary of stillness in your mind so you can hear yourself think. The best way to do this is meditation or mindfulness or prayer, or just carving out some quiet time. I know what you're probably thinking, like either a small percentage of you are saying, I already do that. Great. I would encourage you to be more intentional and go deeper. But most people usually say, man, I just don't have time. I've just got, every minute of my day is packed. I think if you look at your screen time app or whatever it is on your phone to see where you're spending your time on your phone, I bet you have 10 minutes that you could squeeze in just some quiet time. It doesn't have to be spiritual. It doesn't have to be any incense going. It doesn't have to be any anchored to anything specific other than just quiet. And that's the simplest practice you can give yourself, is just giving yourself a chance to have some peace and quiet, and maybe get outside more. I'm at Devil's Backbone near my home here in Loveland, Colorado. It's just right over the hill from me, and making that happen today, even though I have a lot to do and I have all these other stories going and trying to push me to go, I know I've got to create more time to be restored, to be renewed, and to ultimately so that I can recommit every day to the life I'm trying to lead and the work I'm trying to do. If this has been helpful to you or meaningful, I would encourage you and be grateful if you'd be willing to share it with someone in your life. My name is Manley with verticallessons.com. I appreciate you.